Hi students, welcome. So now we are discussing about in projection of solid topic a cylinder of base diameter 40 mm, height 60 mm is resting on its base. It's tilted such that a solid diagonal is vertical. Draw its projection. Clear? So let us assume. So this is the front view and this one is top view. Clear? So this is in front view, it appears rectangle. So this is the diagonal, solid diagonal, extreme left top to extreme right bottom. Similar case, if we need one more, extreme right top to extreme left bottom. So let us consider any one. So now this solid diagonal is inclined to HP. Clear? But when it is possible that solid diagonal comes to vertical, means only case when it is inclined. Okay. So in this problem inclination angle is not given, not necessary also, because let us consider this solid diagonal comes to vertical. Clear? Right. So this is the condition. Are understood? Right. First one, we draw one XY reference line. So initially the cylinder is resting on HP, therefore the cylinder, it is a circular cross section, is visible only on top view. Therefore we draw circle in top view. Clear? Then immediately we divide the circle into n equal parts. This is the generators by 2H pencil. Clear? Only the boundary, only thick by H pencil. Immediately we assign that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Then this is the base. You draw the projection lines from 1, this is 2, 8, this is 3 and 7, this is 4 and 6 and this is 5. So this is the base edge. This is the base edge and the cylinder height is 60 mm they given. Clear? 60 mm cylinder height. Therefore let us consider this is 60 mm. This one is 60 mm. Understand? Then immediately we draw the all the generators also. From 6, this is here, axis is there. So when compared to imaginary generators line, the axis is important, so mention axis format. These are thick. So cylinder and cone only boundary only thick. Clear? So here this is the base 1 2 3 4, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 4, 6 dash, 3, 7 dash, 2, 8 dash. Similarly in top, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. No. So the top A dash, B, C, D, E, D, F. Clear? C, G and B, H. So this is the solid, that is cylinder. Initially the cylinder is resting on HP, therefore the top view is circle is visible, the front view is rectangle is visible. Clear? Then you withdraw the solid diagonal. Clear? So this is the solid diagonal. Let us consider, for example, extreme top left A and extreme bottom right 5. So the A and 5 is solid diagonal. Clear? Now this solid diagonal comes to vertical. Clear? So therefore, so the solid diagonal, how much is the A to 5 distance? Same distance we mark it here, but vertically. Clear? So this point is 5 dash, this one is A dash. The A to 5 distance, same distance here. Then this angle we measure it by using protractor. This angle how much? Okay, automatically 90 minus that angle we get this angle, anyone. Clear? So therefore based on that we mark it here like this. Clear? So this angle is equal to here. Now this line and this, it is 90 degree, no? So therefore it is 90 degree line. Let us consider. Let us assume both are same size. Okay, these two, the L shape is over, then right angles to each other. Clear? This is first diagram, you know that. It is second diagram. Second diagram and third diagram both are same shape size. So how much size is the rectangle? Let us assume same rectangle size. But in this diagram, rough diagram, it is like it comes little bit small. Okay, you assume it. So second and third both are same, ditto. Only one difference here, the diagonal is inclined, here the solid diagonal is perpendicular. That's all. Clear? And how much distance is there? Same distance, we mark it here. We get like this. Here center also is there. Clear? So same diagram. Then as it is, we assign that letters. So the top A dash, B dash, C, D, E, D comma F, G and H. Clear? So the base is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 already is. Next 6 dash, 3 comma 7 dash, 2 comma 8 dash. Clear? Then we draw the projection lines from 1, 2 comma 8, 3 comma 7, 4 comma 6 and 5. Similarly, the 1 and 5 both are coincide, no? 1 and 5 both are coincide. Sorry, A and 5 both are coincide. A and 5 both are coincide. So next B comma H, C comma G, D and F and E. Clear? Right? Next here 7 and G projection lines. H, 8, F, 6, 4 in 1 projection line. A, 1, 5, E projection line. B, 2, 4, D projection line and C, 3 projection line. Clear? Finally, while seeing in top view, the top in cylinder, after tilting it appears elliptical shape only, the circular. So already we discussed in projection of plane topic also, a circular plane while tilting inclined to either it is HP or VP, whatever it may be in any principal planes, it appears ellipse. Clear? So therefore A and A, B and B like that. So all the points meets here A, B. Clear? C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? So the intersection points. So the elliptical shape is fully appears. Clear? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? Let us consider ellipse. Next, in this case, the base, that also ellipse, but left off is visible, while that means the base 7 to 8, 8 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Clear? So first we assign 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. The A and 5 coincide, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8. So here the 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, A comma 5, 6, no. So 7 to 8, 8 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is visible like this, and 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 invisible. So 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 invisible by hidden line. Then it's cylinder, so therefore extreme generators made it dark. Clear? Like this. If we need, we join all H8, 1A, 2B, 4, 5 like this. So if you want means you join it by 2H pencil. Clear? So this is the solution for our given problem. So only the main condition is here the solid diagonal here, but in our problem the inclination angle is not given. Instead of that, the solid diagonal is perpendicular to HP. Clear? It's nothing but the solid diagonal is vertical. This is the solution for our given problem. Clear? Finally we get fourth one. So this is order first, second, third and fourth. Thank you.